I got this pig nose amp on Craigslist today. It worked at the guy's house. I came here, I plugged it in, and then it was shorting out when I moved the guitar jack around. So it wasn't really working. I took it apart and found out it's because it's a manufacturer defect. This was basically moving around and it was shorting out. So it looks like they drilled the hole too big. So I came up with a fix for it, and it looks like it's going to work well. I have a hole saw from Harbor Freight and a thin piece of plywood, leftover scrap from work. So I used my hole saw and pulled this out, and then I drilled the hole out bigger so it fits on that. Now I'm going to use some Gorilla Glue and glue it down in there. And also it was still too thick, so I just got a piece of sandpaper and I sanded it down until it was the right thickness I liked. I sand it, and then you want to turn it and sand it again, so one side doesn't get smaller than the other, so it's even thickness. Yeah, so it'll no longer be sandwiched. It was sandwiched on this piece of vinyl. That washer was there, and then on the other side this washer was there, so it was pinching itself on the vinyl and just moving around. Anyways, if other people have the same problem with their amp, now they can fix it. Okay, good luck to you YouTubers.